away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. For the morning sun and all its glory, reach the day with hope and comfort too. Fill my heart with laughter, take away every despair, ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's so long left to find, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, you give thanks and praise to the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. As we walk the garden mile down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let it lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side, till death do us part. Maybe I'll be your friend, but love will never end, till death do us part. When I wake up every day with you lying in my arms, I wonder if I'm dreaming. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true, that my heart belongs to you. Maybe we can have it all. Take my hand and let it lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side, till death do us part. Maybe I'll be your friend, but love will never end, till death do us part. I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe love can still survive. You don't have to say it, don't have to read your mind to know the emptiness is finally right. How was I to know the right from the wrong? Words that's hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes honestly. you nowhere. You won't give me some time to see everything work out, you'll be mine. Oh, I'll be lost forever. Someday I may find words that I've been searching for, just a piece of time. Tell me honestly, if you still love me. Look into my eyes, honestly. Tell me honestly, if you still love me. Look into there I was, waiting for a chance, hoping that you'll understand the things I wanna say. As my love went stronger than before, I wanna see you more and more, but you close your door. Why don't you try to open up your heart? I won't take so much of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you'll never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know he's here to stay. But I know to whom you should belong. I believe what you said to me. We should set each other free. That's how you want it to be. But my love went stronger than before. I wanna see you more and more, but you closed your door. Why don't you try to open up your heart? I won't take so much of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you'll never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know he's here to stay. But my love is wrong. I don't know if this is wrong, but I know to whom you should belong.
morning starts to shine with teardrops in my eyes. And here I am alone, starting to realize that my days would be brighter if I could learn to hide the feelings that I have for you. Keep hurting me inside. Then my day begins with simple thoughts of you, hoping my tomorrows will be me and you, sharing dreams with each other and making them come true, holding one another, saying all I need is you. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go and leave me, this I swear is true. My love will always be with you. Now my nights will end with just one wish, that's you, to hold me in the dark and help me make it through. 'Cause this pain that's inside me would simply melt away if I had you here with me and promise me you'll stay. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go and leave me, this I swear is true. My love will always be with you.
Yes, nandito pa rin kayo sa Showbiz Watcher. Medyo nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting problema sa ating technical problem. Naayos din naman kagad. At malinaw pa nyo pa rin kami napapakinggan dito sa Showbiz Watcher with OG Cruz. Aha. At saka kanina rin pala sa SONA, may mga ilang nag-walk out na kongresista ng Makabayan Bloc sa ikalamang State of the Nation Address ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino sa Batasang Pambansa. Katatapos lamang ng dasal at pagpunta na si Pinoy sa podium nang umalis ang mga ng plenaryo sina Bayan Muna Party List Representative Nery Colmenares at Carlos Zarate. Mga 8 sila. Pawang nakasuot ng peach na gown at barong ang mga 7 mambabatas bilang tanda ng kanilang pang-endorso sa panawagang impeachment laban kay Pinoy. Katwiran nila sa pag-alis, ayaw na nilang pakinggan ang SONA ni Pinoy dahil magmamayabang lang ito. Sunod nito, humalo sila sa mga rallyista na nasa labas ng North Gate ng Batasan kung saan nila ay tunay na SONA ng mga tao. Ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa kasaysayan ng SONA na may nag-walk out ng talumpati ng Pangulo. Grabe! Samantalang naging kapansin-pansin naman ang suot ng peach gown ni Ilagan dahil sa ibabang bahagi nito ay may larawan na baboy na kulay gold at may katagang pork barrel. King, panagutin si Pinoy, anya ang tinutukoy nito. Kaya masyadong first time pala nangyari yon na magkaroon ng walkout harap-harapan. Samantalang naging kapansin-pansin ang page din na SONA na political na si Manner na may kilalang bilang Wanna Change. Pero hindi siya sumama sa mga nag-walk out. Si Wanna Change pala yon sinasabi rito. Ang isa sa mga natin magiging guest natin for tomorrow. Gayunman, hindi na rin niya nagustuhan ang SONA ni Pinoy. Hindi ako nag-walk out, nakikinig ako, umaasa nga ako na makakarinig ako ng maganda na pwede kong sabihin kahit paano, kahit last 2 years, pwede pa siyang magbago, kaya kaya pa, pero hindi, grabe lang, believe niya sa sarili niya. Naging emotional siya, fine, mas lalo naman ako kasi ako ang nahihirapan, di hamak sa kanya, mas nakakaapak ang paa ko sa lupa, sabi ni Wanna Change sa panayam nila. Okay, yan po si Wanna Change na magiging guest natin for tomorrow. Okay? So, abang-abangan lang po at makakausap na natin ang ating mga guests, special guests sa araw na ito. Okay, sina Jet Pangan at saka si Paco Ares Pacochaga. Okay? Ano ba yun?
Used to see black and white, never really in between, waiting on the love of my life to come into my dreams. Everything is shades of gray, never really blues or green. Needed someone else to turn to, someone who could help me learn to see all the beauty that was waiting for me. You put the blue back in the sky, you put the rainbow in my eyes, a silver lining in my breath, everywhere. You put the red back in the rules, just when I needed it the most. You came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere. Everywhere. My life was so predictable, never any mystery. But ever since you shined the light, all of that was history. Now I have a hand to hold and a reason to believe. Someone in my life worth living for. I was hanging around just wishing put the happiness back in my heart. And you put the blue back in the sky. You put the rainbow in my eyes, a silver lining in my friends. And now it's color everywhere. You put the red back in the room, just when I needed it the most. You came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere. You care, now there's color everywhere. Left those crazy days behind me, never to return again. Now they're just a fading memory. 'Cause baby, it's all so clear to see the beauty that is waiting there for me. You put the blue back in the sky. You put the rainbow in my eye, a silver lining in my prayers. And now there's color everywhere. You put the red back in the room, just when I needed it the most. You came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere. A silver lining in my prayers, and now there's color everywhere. You came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere.
remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name.
Abangan po lang natin ng pagtawag nila Jeff Pangan at saka Paco Ares Pacutiaga dahil galing pala sila sa sa San Francisco, California. Kanina hindi pa nga alam kung gising na daw yung dalawa. Sana magising. Tulog pa kasi. Abangan natin. Okay. Continue tayo sa ating music.
Had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. what I'm really trying to say. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Alam kong hindi mo pansin, narito lang ako, naghihintay na mahalin. Umaasa kahit di man ngayon, mapapansin mo rin, mapapansin mo rin. Alam ko di mo makita, ganito lang ako, hinihintay lagi kita. Umaasa kahit di man ngayon, hahanapin mo rin, hahanapin din. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin na ako, pagkatibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana nga'y mangyari yun, kahit di pala ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Alam kong hindi mo alam, narito lang ako, maghihintay kahit kailan. Nangangarap kahit di man ngayon, mamahalin mo rin, mamahalin mo rin. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin na ako, pagkatibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana nga'y mangyari yun, kahit di pala ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Di ba siguro bukas
tunay. Pag-ibig mo para sa akin ay wag naman parusahan ng aking damdamin. Ako'y kausapin mo upang malaman ko bakit kailangan.
Okay, malapit na ho natin makausap si Paco Ares Pacuchaga at nandito na siya. Siya muna ang unang nating makakausap. Okay, wait lang tayo habang nagpapatugtog tayo.
Na ikaw sa aking magtatampo, di ko kaya nasaktan ka, di ko kaya masakitan ka, di ko kaya ang puso mo'y paluhain pa. Di ko kaya na iwan ka, di ko kaya na lokohin ka, di ko kaya damdamin mo'y nagdurusa. Sana ay pagbigyan ang pakiusap ko. Narito at kasumasa mo, muli buksan ang iyong puso. Di ko kaya nasakitan ka, when the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift. Watching as you softly sleep, what a gift if I could keep just this moment, if only time stood still.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
But the colors fade.
Hello Paco, kamusta ka na dyan?
Mabuti naman. Kamusta sa iyo, Aji, at sa lahat ng mga makikinig ng iyong programa.
Yes.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Yes, aha. Paco, nasaan nga mismo ka sa sa Los Angeles, saan banda ngayon?
Where am I right
Location,
now?
yes. Your location.
Right now I'm in Glendale.
Glendale, California. Yes. Paco, ano bang itong susunod nyong kailan ka pa nandito sa Amerika, Paco?
Well, nandito ako simula noong 2001.
2001?
Yes, in 2001, I've been here. Nabalik-balik ako ng Pilipinas. May mga shows or mga projects. But I'm based here now in Los Angeles together with the rest of Intro Voice, my band. And nakakatuwa, I don't know if I told your listeners know, we just had a reunion of sorts in San Francisco on Friday with my old colleagues, Jeff Panga ng Gadon, Wency Cornero ng After Image, Kutuchuha ng Colorito, Harry Ignacio ng Alameda, and we actually played 25 hit songs in San Francisco, and we're bringing the same show to LA on Friday.
On Saturday or Friday, Paco?
On Friday, August 1st,
yes.
We are bringing that same show to Los Angeles in Glendale. And then on Saturday, we're bringing the same show to San Diego naman. So, ang ganda nga nakita ko yung response ng Friday. It was awesome. Naiyak kami lahat sa stage. Tapos, feeling ko itong darating ng Friday mas matindi. That's why I want to invite everyone to witness, these five artists who actually shaped OPM in the Philippines in the 90s. And ang dami lumapit sa akin, lumapit sa akin, ako, yung kanta nyo, theme song namin mag-asawa ngayon, ito na kami tatlo na anak namin para lang. Amazing.
Kaya, yes, saan magaganap yun, Paco?
Yung concert namin on Friday will be at the Beyond the Stars Palace in Glendale, California. Tickets will be at $60. And I keep telling everybody to bring at least $100 dahil yung mga merchandise na binibenta namin is really part, a very, very good part of their memorabilia collection. At nung sa San Francisco nga, ang daming bibili ng mga shirts, mga CDs, and all that. Tapos, nakakatuwa, may nagsabi, di ba mahal ang ticket nyo? $60 for 5 artists singing 25 hit songs. I mean, that's very cheap. I don't know, mura na yun. And, when people come to the show, when people came to the show last Friday, they said, ito ang sinabi nila, grabe, hindi kami makapagpahinga kasi akala namin may song na hindi namin magugustuhan, pero hindi. Song after song, hit after hit, and people just wanted to watch it. By the way, Audrey,
yes.
And by the way, listeners, please bring an extra memory card and battery for your camera because you will want to take videos of all 25 songs. And the show is actually 2 hours long. So it's really worth it. Bring your friends. It'll be nostalgic. It'll be memorable. It'll be a first dahil ngayon na kami nabuo kaming 5 artists. And ibang klase talaga to. So, maraming salamat din sa mga promoter namin, Alias Galo, kina Marilyn Sanga, kina Victores, sa inyo. Salamat sa lahat ng nagawa nito to make it possible and to make it happen.
Paco, sino ba nakaisip niya na pagsama-samahin kayong mga soloists ng banda?
Actually, naisip ko ito noong 2007. Pero personally, I never really had the funds to make it happen. So it's been a dream and an aspiration to have all of us together since 2007. And God bless Vic Perez talaga for taking the lead to just make the show happen in LA. And of course, I think he partnered with Marilyn and other producers to make the show happen. But one person had to really do it. Of course, Alias Galo Clemente, who actually was sweating bullets before the show happened. So we props to everybody. It's a group effort talaga.
Paco, kagabi ba yung show niyo sa Sa may bandang San Francisco, California?
The show happened on Saturday.
Last
And
Saturday.
then, I mean, if everybody knows, if your listener knows, it's like a 6-hour drive from San Francisco to Los Angeles. So yesterday, Sunday, dito sa California, we left San Francisco at around 7 o'clock ng gabi. And then, nakabalik na kami ng LA mga 3:30 ng umaga. Tapos, now it's 10:30 in the morning and I'm here at work. So, medyo wala na talaga akong process, pero it was all worth the trip.
May mga nagtatanong nga ng mga listeners dito na from the Philippines, tinatanong nila, nasaan na ba si Paco at hindi nila namin masyado nakikita sa Pilipinas?
Well, makikita nila ako ulit on August 17. I will be in ASAP on August 17. So, makikita ulit ako ng mga taga-Pilipinas. Pero, kung gusto nila ako mapanood every day, I have an internet show called Paco in the House. So, PacoInTheHouse.com. Pag tinipe nila yun, makikita nila ako araw-araw. Plus, Intro Boys just came out with a new single, which is out of Mixed Philippines, deposited nila sa Pilipinas. Napagalitan ng tagnasan ka, music video, napakaganda. At saka, nag-MTV Asia rin. So we're really, really very active. So the next year, nasa po kami for the Sinulog Festival. So, Intro Voice is in full gear and full spirit. Let's just search Intro Voice on Facebook or on the internet or on YouTube. Mapapanood nyo po lahat ng mga videos namin for free.
Paco, ilan ba ang nagawa nyo ng album so far? Ang Intro Voice?
Yung album namin, Back to the Roots, ang mga hit songs doon, However Which Way, Maynila, Calling All Nations, marami pang iba. Album number 2, Breaking New Ground, ang mga hit songs doon, Pinako Alcapa, tsaka Line to Heaven, Pinako Alcapa, tsaka Line to Life. Tapos album number 3, Line to Heaven, ang mga hit doon, Kailan Naman, tsaka Line to Heaven. Tapos album number 4, Greatest Hit Live, ang hit song doon is, hindi ko na alam, ang dami ng hit song. It's my right ba yun? Album number 5, Intro Voice 1, ang hit song doon is Tell Me Why, tapos More Than a Friend. As album number 6, na hindi nila sa Pilipinas, pero available sa iTunes, Brighter Days. Ang hit songs doon, A Brighter Days for Desire. Album number 7 is Intro Voice Greatest Hits, New Beginnings. 18 hit songs available on iTunes, available on music.introvoice.com. So, abangan nyo. And then, album number 8, where we left off, ang bago namin hit single, Nasan Ka, which is making waves sa Pilipinas. Actually, magpapadala ako sa'yo ng copy at MP3 ko.
Yes, just give me a copy, Para, total na, dito ka na ba ngayon? Immigrant ka na? Dito ka na ngayon, Paco, sa Amerika talaga?
Bale, kaming Intro Voice, kami rito as immigrants, and then, second citizens na kami, pero, dual, so, Filipino citizen pa rin, syempre, so,
okay, that's good. How about ang movies? Bakit wala ka na sa movies?
May ginagawa kami ni Leandro Munoz at saka ng anak ko, si Evan Arestamachaga. I am directing an independent film for the Sundance Music Festival, Movie Fest. And ang pamagat ng movie is Ang Batang Ama, starring Leandro Munoz and Evan Arestamachaga, directed by me. So, sinulat ko yung story na. And sabi ko nga, ang bago kong hobby now is to be behind the camera. So that's what I've been doing, directing commercials, short films, music videos. I've been busy with that.
Ano nangyari? Bakit na naging director ka? Nagkaroon ka na ba ng training o talagang matagal mo ng plano yan na maging director ng isang movie?
You know, it's always been one of my bucket lists. Sabi ko, before I die, I have to try myself as a director. I mean, I never really thought na magiging artista ako. I mean, hindi ko naman kasi sila Aga Bulak, sila Richard Gomez and all that. I was blessed with an opportunity to be in front of the camera. And now I'd like to try my trade in front of the camera and at the same time behind the camera.
Aha, kaya good luck dun sa pagiging mo. Kailan ipapalabas yun?
Salamat.
Paco, kailan ipalalabas?
Ang showing namin is January. magandang pelikula, nakakayak. It's about forgiveness, redemption, about being a young dad, and yung mga story na dinadaanan ng mga pagats na ama and all that.
Ano yan? Kailan nyo ginawa yun? Paco?
Ginawa namin to early this year, and right now we're in post-production. Maganda talaga yung movie.
Mostly ang location sa Philippines, hindi dito sa Amerika.
American location.
Dito ang location ba? Di napaka, yan, kakaibang istorya yan, parang mga film yan.
Actually, pwede mo sabihin film, pero akmang-akmang pang Pilipino. Kasi pag sinabi ang Batang Ama, kumaga 2 generations of Batang Ama. Like, everybody knows, Leandro Munoz was a former, he's still an actor in the Philippines, but he's based in the States. I mean, he's a very good actor. And then, very impressive then si Heaven Aresta Ochaga, who's 18 years old. I mean, you tell him that this guy can act, but he did well in the film, so we'll see. I mean, kaya natin yung mga fans ang humusga kay Heaven as an actor.
Bakit behind the camera ka, hindi ka lumabas sa camera?
I wrote the story of Ang Batang Ama.
Yes.
Kumbaga, as a director, and aspiring filmmakers know this, but it's the director who actually tells the story. So I wanted a certain treatment for the film. Instead of hiring someone to do it, might as well take the opportunity, palakasan na lang ng loob, and shoot the film myself. I mean, I've done some music videos naman in the past, and they're pretty good, and TV commercials dito sa LA. So it wasn't really at first, but this was my first full length.
Yes, oo. Ano yan, papalabas sa Pilipinas at saka sa Amerika, both?
Inalaban namin ito sa mga independent competitions, film competitions worldwide. Pero kung mag-gusto ng Pilipinas, bakit hindi? Diba? I'll make the film readily available for everybody because kumaga labor plus naman to. And I just want everybody to appreciate this body of work that I did.
I see. That's good.
And sabi ko nga sa Audrey, like, everything ties in together for Friday. Like, I want people know that Cookie Chua and Jet Pangan are also actors and stage actors.
Wow.
And we were talking about this on Friday. Kasi itong Friday na to, pag naabutan niyo yung mga artists on stage, makikita nyo na it's really worth watching yung concert namin this Friday. Kapamagat na vocalista ng mga banda ng Tikada ni Benta.
Paco, don't forget to give your cellphone number so that may contact tayo para at least ma-interview kita ulit. Paco, kunin mo na kay Mr. Vic para at least yung mga fans mo, di ba? Kaya na-miss ka na ng gusto. Gano'n pa Paco? Yes, Paco, may nag-text dito, gano'n pa rin daw kagwapo si Paco?
Hindi pa rin naman ako iniiwanan ng mga mahal ko sa buhay. So, pwede pa. May anghang pa.
May ano pa, yes. Ano pa bang mga new song na gagawin ninyo?
So, ito nga, may nilabas kami song. It's called Nasan Ka, and you can download that for free at music.introvoice.com. It's a tear-jerker kind of song, very intro-voice. At the same time, yung album namin, which is called Where We Left Off, is out soon. But if you want to hear more songs from that album, I will always point you to music.introvoice.com. It's all there. Magsawa kayo, download for free.
Kamusta yung show mo? Ano yung show mo na, anong ginagawa sa show mo?
Your show, I talk about life, I talk about love, like 7 ways to forget your ex-boyfriend, or 7 ways to find out if you're good in bed, mga ganun. I mean, 3 signs you're way over your head, mga ganun.
Wow. Ano yan, live broadcast or
I used to do it live, but because of this show, everything has been taped, so I'm papanood sa mga tape episodes from that.
I see. Okay. So, ano na naman yung sa San Diego? Kailan na, ano naman sa venue naman sa San Diego yung concert ninyo?
Sa San Diego, we do it at a hotel. Off the top of my head, I don't know where it is. But, sabi nga namin, tuloy-tuloy na to after the West Coast, East Coast naman, and then Canada naman, and then Middle East naman, tapos Europe naman, tapos Pilipinas, hopefully, and Asia, naman. Pero, simulan muna natin sa LA, tapos, I mean, if you want to get on your show again during the show itself, I'd be more than happy to, or we can talk about San Diego later on.
Yeah. Buti walang nagkaroon ng problema sa billing.
Wala, masyadong helping nga ito. Nag-aaway-aaway kami kung sino ang pinaka-last.
Ganon. Wow, wala akong masabi. Okay, for the last time, you can invite our listeners both in LA and San Diego.
Well, lahat ng mga nakikinig sa buong mundo, if you have relatives in San Diego and LA who you know would really enjoy our concert, please, once in a lifetime ng puto, please watch our show on August 1st at the Beyond the Stars Palace in Glendale, California. Ang pamagat po nito ay mga bokalista ng mga banda ng dekada 90, featuring Jeff Pangan of the Dawn, Kutcho of Color It Red, Gary Ignacio of Alamid, Wency Coronel of After Image, and of course, yours truly with my band Intro Voice. Mga hit songs na mapapakinggan nyo rito, Envelope Ideas, Paglisan, Habang May Buhay, Next in Line, Line to Heaven, marami pang iba, kaya magpakita kayo. 60 bucks mga kaibigan, puro na po yun. From now till Friday, mag-ipon na kayo ng $12 a day. No tip lunch. Pumayat na kayo.
Yes.
It'll be worth. Kami na magpapabusog sa inyo ng mga kanta by Friday.
Yes, tama yan. Lalo na mga gwapo pa rin yung mga mga soloist band natin, ang mga supporting band.
At saka hindi lang yun, Ochi. I mean, we are world-class artists. I mean, if Filipinos in California can spend $80, $90 watching other local American artists, I mean, they can very well use the same amount to watch us as well. They can do that. And I would recommend that they do that because magkalisa tayong lahat dito sa show na to. We made the 90s happen. And instead of you telling your kids the story of how it happened, allow us to tell the story with the songs that we have prepared from the bottom of our heart for our fans and our friends.
Yes. Paco, merong nag-text dito Pwede ka daw magbigay ng sample kahit 2 lines lang ng sikat yung kanta ng Intro Voice?
Absolutely. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there tonight. Salamat.
Okay, thank you very much, Paco, at see you then,
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Big.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Yes, bye-bye.
Thank you. Salamat.
Okay, Big.
Yes.
Yes, pakisabi mo, pakiulit-mulit yung yung concert na magaganap on Friday.
Bokalista ng mga bandang dekada 90 sa Friday po yun, August 1, Beyond the Stars, Glendale, California.
Oh.
Please call 818-458-9258 for tickets.
Okay.
Salamat.
Yes, thank you very much, Vic and Paco. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay, nako, yan din si Paco at mukhang nagising na si Paco dahil kararating lang yata nila from sa San Francisco, California kaninang madaling araw, kaya mga tulog-tulog pa. Medyo hindi magandang signal natin kay Paco, pero sinubukan na naming lakasan talaga, pero at least naintindihan ko pa rin. Sana nadidinig nyo yung salita ni Paco para at least naman pero siguro we will have more interviews to Paco para at least naman madinig natin siyang mas maganda ang signal ng telepono at pakakantahin na natin siya ng gusto. Mukhang bigla-bigla ang pagkakanta niya, mukhang pagod pa sila, siguro nasa bed pa lang sila. Okay? Kaya ganun. So patugtugin nga natin yung isa sa mga hit song ni ng Intro Boys. Tingnan nga natin dito kung meron tayong kopya ng Intro Boys song. Okay. Siguro itong ano kaya pinakamaganda. Pakinggan nga natin Kailanman. Okay. Kailanman ng Intro Boys. Yes, yan po si Paco, ang Intro Voice na kailan lang natin na nakausap lang a while ago, at nakausap natin siya na meron pala siyang sariling show sa internet na everyday pala yung show niya. Medyo parang sinabi niya sa akin, iba-ibang klase ang pinag-uusapan nila, more private talk. Parang ganun ang ibig niyang sabihin. So doon pwede niyo siyang i-catch up. Pero ayan nyo, sa susunod subukan natin ulit matawagan si Paco para at least makausap pa rin natin siya tungkol sa mga love affair niya naman, di ba? Total mukhang no hold bars ang ano niya, ang topic niya sa radio show niya intrigahin natin. Muntik ko na nga itanong kung nasaan na si ano pero hindi na, kasi mga ano natin yan Siyempre mga celebrities natin yan, mga performers, na talagang gumagawa ng pangalan dito sa Amerika kahit paano. Ipinapakita nila kung gaano kagaling ang mga performers na Filipino performers dito sa Amerika. Kaya nag-i-stay na ang buong Intro Boys pala nandito, kumbaga. Pero ang dami nila, di ba? So magkano yung ticket? Is around $60. Mas ang dami. Ilang grupo yan? 5 grupo yan. Na hindi lang pala yung mga soloists sa mga nandyan, pati yung mga miyembro nila nandyan din pala at makikisali rin sa concert na yan. Okay? Maraming salamat ko kay Paco Aris Pacutsaga. Maybe tomorrow, maybe makausap natin si Jet Pangan kung magkakaroon ng time, di ba? Total, hindi natin nakausap ngayon si Jet Pangan o kaya si Wency Cornejo. Alam ko, nandyan din siya. So, pwede rin natin makausap sa mga ilang araw. Okay? So, ang show nila on Saturday, kasabay din pala ng show nila Elizabeth Ramsey at saka Jaya, ang show nila sa San Diego, California. Wow! Nasaan na kaya sila Elizabeth Ramsey at Jaya? Dapat makausap din natin sila. Okay? Diba? So, another hit song pa rin. Another hit song para sa... Nako, teka nga. Ba't umalis siya? Gumalaw. Another hit song pa rin from... Teka, ba't ano to? Naglolo ko. From Intro Boys. Ano pa bang maganda ng Intro Boys?
I was making like cell phone calls.
Teka. Naulit Ito yung pinagta kanina ni Paco.
Heaven knows I've done no wrong. To you
Yes, yan po si Paco. Okay, we have only 7 minutes more at matatapos na tayo. And thank you very much kay Lady Camille na naging guest natin kanina na nagbigay ng blind item. Nako, kahit ako hindi ko rin, kasi hindi ako nanonood ng Pinoy TV. Kaya hindi ko rin alam kung sino sinasabi niya. Pero ibubulong ko na lang sa inyo dahil kunento rin naman niya na talagang, pero sabi ko nga, hindi ko naman kasi nanonood ng Pinoy TV kaya mahirap-hirap hulaan. Okay. Yes, another song for all of you. Siguro ayusin natin. Okay. We have only 6 minutes more. Yes, thank you very much, Paco, at naging guest ka namin dito. Until next time, at sana makausap ka namin ulit. Oho. So we have only 3 minutes more at matatapos na tayo. Si Jet Pangan, mukhang hindi pa siya gising. Mukhang mamaya pa siya magigising. We need 30 minutes more, pero patapos na po tayo. We have only 3 minutes more. Kaya sabi ko nga, tomorrow na lang natin makakausap si Jet Pangan, mga bandang ganitong oras din, kagaya na pumasok si Paco Arispaco-Tiaga. Dahil tomorrow, sa mga maaga-aga pa ng konti, siguro mga 8:30 California time, makakausap natin si Wanna Change, di ba? Si Wanna Change, yan yung very popular sa Pilipinas sa mga panggagaya o kaya pagtuliksa sa mga politiko roon. Bukas po natin makakausap si Wanna Change, kaya wag niyong kalilimutan yan, samahan niyo ako. And also si Jet Pangan ng The Dawn, makakausap naman natin. Kasi si Jet Pangan daw, ang dami nagagwapuhan yata kay Jet Pangan. Ang dami nagsasabing gwapo daw si Jet Pangan. Yan. Abangan po yan tomorrow. At magiging guest natin ulit si Jet Pangan. Hindi pala ulit, bukas na. Dahil wala na tayong time. At magpapaalam na po ako. At ito na po ang ating last number. At maraming salamat po sa mga nakinig. At hanggang bukas po muli dito sa Showbiz. Siyempre, Watcher with OG Cruz. Huwag niyong akong iwanan. Tomorrow again. Kita-kita tayo. Bye-bye!
Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. Don't know, breaking down, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand what some things begin then. Just that we can really never bear it all. No, 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 no. But oh, can't you see that no matter
Batiin lang, pahabol lang to. Batiin natin si Gina Yumol, nakikinig sa atin. And also si Christy Gaela Rosacia. Hanggang bukas po muli. Ito po si OG Cruz nagpapaalam para sa Showbiz Watcher. Maraming salamat po sa mga nakinig. And see you tomorrow. Hello po sa mga nakinig. Merly Pama, Gia Lagak, Akira-san, alam ko tulog ka na ngayon. Rosel Magbag, happy listening. At Kuya Jerry, si Dr. Awina Bautista, maraming salamat po. Ang Radyo Pilipino Amerika. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
life goes on, you know that slowly play just by. 'Cause I'm always around you, and I make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies calling, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. You should go, yeah, yeah. Getting more, getting go, where the good be so good, I'm bad. But baby, this is life, no, don't get mad.
you see, no matter what happens, life goes on and on. So baby, please smile, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies coming, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is rain out, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Life's full of challenges that all the time we get what we want. But don't despair, my dear. You'll take it shorter and you'll make it through. There's so much to show. My faith in you is clear. So much there once again, this was wonderful. Hey, let us celebrate life that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Listen to the birds, parents sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain there, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns fair.